These top barracks has spawned new spawn meta troops.
Oh, di ba? No Stellar Dota! No Pel Dota! Hindi game! Taraw talagang marunong mag-lean eh. Hindi AFK eh. AFK. Partida. Siya pa yung ano nun pre. Boring. Boring ah. Oh. Oh.
It happened again. Double kill.
Enemy's middle tower has been destroyed.
Goodness. Impossible kill. There they go. Ultra kill.
Ultra kill. Walang rampage ah.
Dire do not resist that.
Mantown Punch. Mantown Punch. Let's play Turbo. Let's play Turbo. I will Manta Punch. I'm not yet on losing streak, so I will not grant your request on rank, bro. But I will play. I will play Turbo for you, my friend. Report ulit natin to, boboy. Si Milit pre. Kilala naman tong si Milit pre. Kilala naman tong si Milit. For sure pinagmumura ako nito last game pre, pero nakamute kasi siya eh. Nakamute kasi siya nung ano eh. Bobong tong Stellar kasi na to eh, nakaka-trigger yung sobrang utang eh na. Bliatsky pala tong bobong to. Bliat ang pota. Thank you, Radab. Okay, let's play Turbo. Where's Turbo here? Turbo. Do I have a quest? Overworld. Okay, my quest is done. Nakuha ko naman na siguro lahat ng rewards dito. Proudful store. Uy, may reroll ulit ako ah. No bro, it's okay, don't risk your win. It's okay if it's Turbo, my friend. I'm kind of you know, shy because you send lot of stars. Hindi ka na nakatagpo ng late ka pre, Daryl. Kanina pre. 3 Pinoy tsaka 1 Russian. Report pa nila ako pre. Report pa daw nila yung page ko pre. Mass report daw eh. Mga iyakin eh. Yung mga ano eh.
It's your band.
Pag hindi kaya yung hit gano'n na lang sa mga we don't have punch bro. Let's play SF. Let's play SF offlane. Pick jumping hero. Go pick it. Yung nagsabi niyan. Gusto mo pala ng jumping hero. Hindi ka na lang pumik. Gusto mo pala ng jumping hero eh. Uy, ano to? Delikado to ah. Raven. Walang nakita ng... Bago ba to? Ba't may ganito akong set?
10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Wait, kaya may Russia? Hindi ko din alam eh. Meron namang Japan. Di nila... Ba't kaya ayaw nila sa Japan? Mas malapit naman yung Japan sa kanila kasi sa SEA. Battle Fury SF guys. Dito sa Dubai, ako naglalaro. Madalas Russian kalaro mo. Ano party kayo ni Boss Psycho Franco?
It goes without saying. This one is in the bag.
All right, get ready.
This one's in the bag.
May Act 4, wala pa boss. Next month pa daw eh.
30 seconds.
Yung meta. Pero before tayo mag Battle Fury, magma-Mass Update lang, Mass of Madness lang tayo. Mas mabilis mag-farm to pag may Mass of Madness eh. Sayang naman nun. Lead ko na lagyan.
Smell that
Nakausap na
forest
naman
air.
ako na local dito si Amar Tapi.
Supports at your side.
Habibi, Habibi!
I don't know what that guy's doing.
I thought it'd come sooner.
Puta. Kaidan! Ba't sobrang lag? Wala naman ako inibang settings. Ba't sobrang lag kasi? Patay ako. Ang ela! Ba't ganito? Ba't ganito yung lag niya? Masyado daw maungaw. Kalaro lang naman natin nung parang pag sa personal talaga hindi naman ganoon ka maungaw, chill lang natin pag ano eh. Ganun ng bro na internet mo mabagal. Hindi ano eh, hindi internet eh. Parang more of FPS drop kind of lag. Ano ganun lang? Ganun lang? Wala ko ng level 3 para makapatay kami. Patay ako. Wala ako sa laro ah. I'm having a hard time in Turbo! Oh my god! Binubuli kayo dyan. Close mo kasi porn site. Ano yung first game? Okay lang eh. Focus lang ako sa glide guys. Kailangan ko lang ng level dito eh. Kailangan ko lang ng level dito eh. Charge mo para hindi makauna. Nice. Ano lang? Ba't sobrang ganun lang? Baka naman eh itong SF na to. Hindi ko pa na-raisan. Patay sana yun pag ni-raisan ko ng isa. Wala akong HP. Isang lift lang daw tsaka isang ano. Is this guy real? Tapos, patay na naman ako. Patay na naman ako!
Greg, you looking at that? Because that is down, and that's a double kill.
Wait kami nung dalawa. Buti na lang turbo eh. Ano GP yung 4080 pre?
Being destroyed. Are you letting them do this?
May level 6 siya.
More, I can keep my mouth shut.
Ba't kasi kaya yung race dito? Tama yung ano dapat dun eh. Wait, tuloy ba? Ba't di mo tinuloy, pre? Pa-expert na yung ano na dun eh. Di bad punch, yes, brother. Makakabak pa yan.
Hey, top tower's under attack. They say history is written by the victors. so you might save yourself a writing assignment here.
Pagandaan kasi yung Rubik, mamatay ako. Sa baba yung Rubik. Hindi makalapit tong Ursa, no problem.
You down there, you are dominating right now. You might want to haul ass over to your top tower.
Wala, patinira kasi. Sobrang bilis naman, pre.
Middle tower's taking a beating. You people, I'm using the term loosely here. I
Easy
know you're
comeback.
probably a giant pink bat
Easy
or
comeback,
robot
pre.
made out of- Middle tower's under attack there. But you people need to handle this. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I mean, I don't like your odds here. Look at those structures.
Ang putang na silent. Na Curse of the Silent pala ako. Ako to yung pinunta ni Ursa. Tangay na naman yan!
Was that right?
They should bring MMR or rank in Turbo 2 cause majority of players at tryharders play Turbo. Most of these Turbo players are just doing quest, bro. Ang pangit ah! Parang nagiging pixelated shit yung nangyayari.
Down there on top tower. Dyer's fortified their structures. That's no good for us. Hey, your top tower's under attack. They just denied their middle tower. I think we all underestimated them. I mean, look at it. How could you not?
Ano na ba gamit niyan? Battle Fury? Battle Fury din tayo, pre! Baka Battle Fury ni Rajab yan! Here comes the Battle Fury, my friend, Rajab! May dagger na si Ursa! Here comes your Battle Fury, Rajab. Don't worry, I will make the Battle Fury real.
It checks out. That was a double kill.
Tapos wala din gamit si Unggoy ah. Kung ano, hindi tumamang bota. Let's just normal hit him. He was just waiting for me, idiot Ursa!
Your middle tower's taking a beating.
Piece of Souls. Ano? May attack speed? Attack speed na pala yun? This guy will probably TP now. This guy will TP on the outpost and then look for me. Oh, he's here. Ano bang papasok sa kanila? Bading naman ng mga empre. Mga bading! I'll just farm Rajab's Battle Fury.
More souls for me. He's right, he dog.
Dito ata siya sa akin na. Mga ng orsa to. Ang dagal lang kasi ako eh. Tanga! Tanga ka! Bobo ka ang puta! Mana regen ko kasi yan! Mana regen ko yan! Silencer.
Middle tower might need a little attention. I wouldn't sweat. Middle tower will take a lot of money. Largely ignore them. Goodbye.
Ano ngayon? Kung silence mo ako, pre!
Greg, are you seeing this? I think that's a double kill.
Rajab! Rajab Battle Fury is doing it! Let's go! SB unstoppable. No, he feed other lane, bro. We feed top, but we're so good, bro. Stun! Oh, it's on cooldown. Asan yung ano ko, Battle Fury ko kasi? Ba't kasi ayaw i-deliver? Oh, may Lotars na ako, pre. Tsaka isang pa-order ng Daedalus. Asan yung Daedalus? The comeback of the century. Eco Saber after? Eco Saber? Legit ba yung boosting sa group? Oo. Oh, legit yung mga sang group. Yung mga kilala ko, sila Jot, sila Dar, sila Clyde, sila Moyong, sila EJ Dota. Sino pa ba? Sino pa bang nagbo-boost? Basta yung mga yun, legit yung mga yun, sila... Sino pa bang nagpapaboost? Basta yung mga group of friends ng mga yun, mostly booster yung mga yun eh. Yung circle friends nila Dar, nila Jot. Tapos, silence pa siya. Uy! Ay, grabe yung bash niya! Perfect bash ang puta! Re-recommend ko na sana kasi malapit na siyang mag-blink eh. Pursuit bash naman. Don't you dare stop! Dasol, huwag kang maingay, silencer. Maingay ka, pre. But you stop. Galit na galit yung bear sa'yo, boss. SF eh. Tas ursa siya eh. Kahit sino sa amin. Pag ako din yung ursa, makakita lang ako ng mga ganito, ano eh. Dive lang ng dive.
Middle tower might need a little attention.
Si Mipwet, yung mga yan. Mga group, yung mga circle of friends yung mga nila ni Jot. Mga booster din mga yan eh.
Alright, middle tower's down.
Mapapatay ko kaya to sa isang requirement lang.
Help, yeah, absolutely, but it's gone now and no sense of fighting.
Paano rin naman? Na ganun siya. Grabe naman yung orsa na yan. Yung satanic. What the fuck? What the fuck are you guys doing? Clashing. Without my ult.
Your middle tower's taking a beating.
Harpon. Harpon
Oh, they are really taking
Abyss
it to you there.
for new meta boss. Sige, try natin yung mga yan, pre. Kailangan ko lang ng isang item na against kay Ursa.
Don't like your odds here. I hope you like it destroyed, because it is. They're giving your middle barracks a once over.
Hindi, walang item to, pre. Nag-feed naman ako pero may item ako. Ba't ito walang item? Masyadong walang item. Boom! Boom! Sige, stall mo pa, Baratrom. Stun mo! Nakatakbo tuloy sa wukong mo. Bigyan niyo ako ng vision, guys. Bigyan niyo ako ng souls. Huwag kayo kumagaw ng creep kasi. Paano kung magkaka-soul niyan? Ito pala si Ursa eh. What are you doing? What are you fighting without your global, bro? Now you chat to yourself, fucking dog. Hindi niya in-stun.
Look at you go. Hacking at limbs, blood spraying everywhere. That's adorable.
I have more room in my collection. Immortality.
Ano to? Iba na pala yung ano nito, shard niya. Ano ang anti-ursa natin, guys? Anti-ursa, give me anti-ursa. Kulang dun sa silent. Yan yung maingay nung simula nung laro eh. Nagko-coach siya eh. Tignan mo, namatay na naman. Wala na ba yung binibiling shard dito na ano? Nadadagdagan yung souls?
Top tower, I'm only asking because it's being destroyed.
O ito na yun. Naging ano na lang siya, naging talent tree.
Hey, your top tower's under attack. Your top tower's down. Might want to haul ass over to your top tower. Don't get a big head about it, but your structures are fortified. You need the top tower, I'm only asking because it's being destroyed. It is pretty fun, destroying towers. Your opponents must be having the best time over there. Yeah, the bottom tower is down.
Hindi ko siya na-break.
Every tower that was well defended, raise your hand. Not so fast, Radiant's top tower. But hey, this is why we keep scoring. It's supposed to sting. Throw some salt in there. Go get some flavor.
Kaya na, wala akong ano. Wala akong Dragon Lance kasi hindi ako ma-reach yung sa baba. Umabot pa sa akin yung stun nun. Walang Dragon Lance, hindi ko umabot yung sa baba. Nasa PIC Silento. Ano yung meta ngayon? In Turbo, in Play, when I lose, I go rush. Yes, brother, that's the right way, bro.
Your middle tower might need a little attention. Your middle tower
Nakabawi nga kami eh.
past defense.
I admit na nag-hit kami sa top pero nakabawi kami. Tapos ikaw yung nai-next.
Middle tower is
Mamatay ka na wala kang kwenta. Yan kasi yung problema sa mga ano eh.
towers being attacked doesn't mean it's never
Kasi yung mga na...
cut down in the prime of its tower life. Taken too soon. Rest in
Challenge lang yan, Boss JM. You better quit playing. Ba't ganun yung ano? Ba't ganun yung Dota? Let me try one more. Shit. Where's my phone? Susunod pa ako mamaya. Ano bang rank na ito? Ano bang rank mo, boy? Ano bang rank mo? Itong ano na ito? Ni Meta Fury. Oo, pre. Ano bang rank mong gago ka? Why cry in turbo? Mamaya nga hapon ulit, guys. Ayusin ko lang din tong stream ko. Ba't kasi ganun? Lang. Ayusin ko muna. Ba't kasi anong tawag dito? Pangit nung ano. Buti na lang hindi rank yung pinilaan ko na laro dun. Ayaw din.
Radiant's middle tower is under attack.
Walang ganap dito ah.
They call me the terror from the barrier. They call me the snowball from...
Sometimes I think you only want me for my hazard suit. It's not time yet.
Anong march nito?
March! March! March!
Prepare for battle.
Go, my little Brazil! March! March! Absolutely. Look at March! March! March!
Hindi naman bumababa. Ba't kanina sobrang ano?
Go, my little Bell! Get March! March! First blood!
Okay lang naman siya, pre. Ba't ganun?
Oh, fine.
Not peasants. This war can fight.
Okay, kiss button. Okay. We'll do it again next time, brother. I will let's try the bristleback test.
Ah, well, lava good slaughter.
Let's try the bristleback test and I'm gonna out.
Poor figure, don't I?
Kailangan lang nito, ganito lang eh.
Prepare to make way.
Who made you captain?
It's pronounced Admiral.
One step at a time.
One step at a time, BB. Berserk. One, two, three.
These faces need
1, 2,
mashing.
3, 4. Yan. Let's just do some. Saan yun? 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yun, may axe na silang lahat.
By all means.
Ito na lang yung wala. Tapos, Wraith Burat.
That way.
Saan siya? Ano ba yung hindi kailangan dito, guys?
A path opens.
Enemy.
I'll sort this out.
Wala. Okay siya.
Concentrate yourself. Don't call my headstone just
Ano ba yung kulang dito?
that's for me. You don't say. Behold, the Bone Cave is my shadow.
Ags.
Here we go. I'll sort this. Indeed. Bit of work to do. Time for a good one step at a time. This. Here we go. That way. Boy, one step at a time. I'll sort this out. You don't say. Yes. Indeed. Time for a good scale, man. Keep your thoughts to yourself.
Ayan, pag nag-crash na to, end stream na tayo. Yung pa palang ganito. Ayun, let's go. It's too late, bro. I'm gonna do it. Bye tayo, guys. Ba't hindi nila ano? Guyong labas na isa o tuguyong isang bots.
Check out, that was a double kill.
Kaya mo na. Taka na, hindi ko na alam yun ah. Guyong labas sa isa o tuguyong isang boss. Wrong paset. Ano ba dapat yung ano? Ano ba dapat yung paset? Hindi pa ako pwedeng magano to. Dami nilang ginawa eh. Dami nilang ginawang ano. Anyway. Try ko sa mamayang hapon ulit. May susunduin pa kasi ako mamayang 11:30 eh. Baka hindi matapos yung rank ng baka mag-isang oras pa kasi. So, ayun, before ako mag-out, gusto ko lang i-plug ang ating sponsor for today, Melbet, guys. The newest online gambling site in the Philippines. Kung mga gustong tumaya ng PGL, wala kaya mamaya, playoffs na. Kung mga gustong sumabay dun sa akin parlay, ayan, check na lang dito sa gilid, right side. Bale, Bisco's Heroic tsaka nab yung aking tinayaan. Gamitin nyo na lang aking link sa comment section. Gamitin nyo ang aking code na Chang777. Tapos kung gusto nyo pang gumawa ng mga iba pang bet, pwede yung mga single, meron yung per map. Dadagdagan yung market ng mga dito during games eh. Meron yung mga runes, rune time, mga kills, mga ultra kill, mga mega creeps, yung mga ganun. Nadadagdag dito yung mga yun eh. Mga ultra kill, rampage, yung mga ganun. So ayun, I'm out guys. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.